Sanibonani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Listen, just when we thought, okay, we've reported that Nozipho Nchanga's husband is taking number 2, and then husband went on as far as fighting for number 2 and writing a statement and letting us know, the whole of South Africa, that listen, I am taking this wife. We thought, so I know, hey, that's fine, sharp. Okay, it get worse. A video has been leaked of Nozipho Nchanga's husband fighting, guys. I've never seen a man like fighting the whole family, telling them that he needs to leave the house. A helper is asking, the kids are fighting, saying, Mobuga Nozipho has a blue eye. So this man is fighting and telling his kids, all of those kids, listen, so now they're saying, no, Dad, we just want to talk to you. You know, it's like, no, do not talk to me. In front of kids, 8 kids, all of them. Wife number 2, girlfriend, put aside chick. Guys, lo satane lo uye lo Ziphondini lo misono. Yeah. So now Twitter has been trending. They say, nope, this girl did something. Because this man ayizwa lutho ithi ngiyahamba njengamanje. Didn't care whether the kids were there or the kids were not there. The only thing the missman was saying, give me my keys and let me go. And then Nozipho says, no, but I cannot because I want to take kids to school with the car. Okay, also, you guys have 8 kids and then you have 1 car. Okay, let me just say maybe ubem killer because can't be, it's highly impossible. I mean, how do you take all these kids with 1 car? I mean, no, guys, 8 kids, then 9, 10, guys, so like 10 family, and then there's a helper, and then no. But anyway, so Nozipho, so we see in the video they're arguing, and Nozipho so calm, bro. The kids are like, Dad, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? And you could hear, no, this man is not even willing to listen. This just triggered me. This is a story for another day. This triggered me because I know a man who's been bewitched, a man who does not listen whatever that you're saying. As soon as he wants to go where he wants to go, he wanna go. Don't even stand on his way. Because child, I'll tell you one thing, that man will bokoza you. Because something is calling and something is calling. So this is the situation right now. So everybody's trying to send love and light to Nozipho to say, hey, I girl, as long as you girl is a target, I'm not gonna lie to you. Just let go of this man, start right now crying and start right now being heartbroken and just be ready. That's the goal.
What is this? What bullshit is this? You're holding me hostage. You're holding me hostage. Okay, bam. I'm full. Big is the blind. Big is the blind. You can't be more. Okay, just give up. You are sending it in guy. If you don't come on, I put them in Kulu.
You might get him come sing on the school.
I'm going to kill you. Let's see what dog. I'm not going to make him.
Come on. Minute was going in.
Man, you went to sleep. You hold me hostage.
He went to sleep around.
Give for the mode of harm.
Calm down, why are you shouting?
Shut up.
No.
Fucking shut up.
No.
Yes. Senamadoda senamadoda yini ufuna ukutshela mina kwami ufuna ukutshela mina kwami.
Look at what you're doing.
Ben,
Look at what you're doing.
usuyindoda
Look at what you're
usuyindoda
Look at what you're saying.
namadoda you gonna get up against me ufuna ungishaya ufuna wenza ufuna kulwa nami wozani phela wozani ngishaya wozani wozani ngishaya wozani ngishaya wozani ngishaya ufuna kulwa nami kwami niyini
Who said who wants to fight?
niyini
Who said who wants to fight?
nina fanele ngitshela ukuthi ngenzeni mina
Who said we want to fight?
usani ngidakela usani ukungidakela Yabo seningijwayela kabi manje. Yabona into enza la ungijwayela kabi. Ukungijwayela kabi. Ngeke yabona with the fact that ngihlala nani kushwana ngigibele emakhanda. Bani ngitshele nini usingenze iphoshe ngiqhamele kwami. Yini okwayithakela yona wena? Ngiyotshela mina. Usanungidakela mina. Nonke usanungidakela, musandi kunginyela futhi. Usandi kunginyela. Ngicela nginyukhe ngihambe. Ngicela nginyukhe ngihambe. Nisale nixoxe lento enixoxa. Engangifake. Angifuni.
Sifuna ukukhuluma nawe.
Angifuni. Ngicela ukuthini?
You're not getting the keys. I need the car.
Oh, awufuni ikhi.
Ngidinga ukuhamba isinga.
Ngiyabuza awufuni ikhi.
Angiyakwazi ukunyukhe imoto.
So fanele ngenze njani?
I don't know.
Oh, you
Wena
don't know?
uhambayo.
Oh, okay.
Wena uhambayo.
Ah, that's fine. Thank you. Salam.
Dad, we really want to sikhuluma nawe kahle.
Senamadoda.
I don't know what's wrong with you.
Ngiyaswela nokubamba meeting usenikade ukwenza ukukhuluma nami.
What is going on with you, Dad?
Ngiyabuza. Ngiyaswela nokubamba ama meeting le.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Like, what is going on with you?